Warning, what you are about to watch is the first Maple Dude video without lame humor, slapstick, or just stupid jokes. Welcome to this episode of High Sugar Content, guys, where I'm going to show you a new option for the Dauntless Evaporator where we can take it from great performance to extreme performance. Hey guys, remember the video we did a while back about the two Hobby Evaporators from Smoky Lake Maple Products? Well, here I'm going to talk about an option that's available for the 20x48 Dauntless Evaporator. What we're looking at here is the Forced Draft Kit that is available for the Dauntless Evaporator only. That's the larger of the two. And the Forced Draft Kit, what that's going to do for you is increase your performance, increase your boiling rate, make your wood burn cleaner, and give you an overall hotter fire, and make your Dauntless breathe like a fire-breathing dragon. This is only compatible with this 20x48 Dauntless Evaporator. It is not compatible with the 16x30 StarCat Evaporator. So if you're a maple hobbyist and enthusiast, I know every year you like to tinker with your operation, you like to increase the performance of your equipment, or you like to find better ways to do things. Well, that is what this is definitely going to do for you. Anytime you're blowing air on your fire, that is going to increase the intensity of the fire. The wood is going to burn more thoroughly, and you're going to just increase the heat underneath this pan boiling that sap, and it's going to increase your evaporation rate. Why wouldn't you want to do that? It's fun to play with fire and burn things efficiently, and that's what blowing air is going to do for you. This is a simple upgrade. There's going to be very little ash because of the air blowing on the fire. It just burns things more cleanly and more thoroughly. So what's in the box that you get when you buy the Dauntless Forced Draft Kit? Let's take a look at these components. It's pretty simple. There isn't a lot to it, but it is, again, going to be a great option to add to your evaporator. One of the things that's going to come, and I noticed that it's already assembled, is the box, or the cabinet as they call it. This is just this galvanized box that fits underneath the evaporator, and then there's a blower that bolts on the back here. One of the nice things about this unit, guys, is the blower on here is a Dayton blower. That is made right here in the United States. It's not a cheaper knockoff Chinese part. Even right down to the final detail, we've got stainless steel screws with nylon lock nuts so they don't come loose. That's just another little detail that makes this a really nice package. The other piece that comes with it is this elbow for your smokestack. It's a beefier, more robust elbow because you're going to be blowing air through here, and the fire is going to be a lot hotter, and the standard one on there probably could get worn down over time just because of the heat. So they do include a stronger exhaust elbow for your smokestack. The motor itself, all it is an electric motor that plugs into your standard household current. Guys, this box underneath, you can remove this piece on the end if you need to get in there and clean anything out like ash, but there really shouldn't be much because it's going to burn more cleanly and efficiently. And another tip that I forgot to mention is you are going to want to run this obviously all the way open, your draft under your grates. So as far as installation of the Forced Draft Kit, it's really simple. There isn't a whole lot to it, and if you're fairly handy, you will get it done easily. I'm not going to get into showing how it's done here. I'm just going to kind of show you where it is on the unit itself. And again, this all comes pretty much assembled. You just have to put the fan on the back. You do configure that with the bottom part of the fan down, so it's, you know, curved down. And then this simply slides in here underneath the firebox. And then once you do that, you put on this front plate with the screws and the nuts provided. You don't want to put this on beforehand because you do need access inside here after you get it slid into place to tighten up these screws and bolts, and the ones that are on the side that you're going to have to remove. You will have to remove these along the side to go into these holes along here. And again, it's that simple. It's gonna be probably a bit easier if you buy a unit new with this at the same time. If you have an existing unit without it, you are gonna have to take some stuff apart that you previously put together. One of the things that I like most about this, guys, is it's made right here in the good old USA. It's an American-made product, all American-made components. Why wouldn't you wanna buy from the United States and help support our local companies and our workers here, and especially Smoky Lake Maple Products, great Wisconsin company to work with. So for the Dauntless Forced Draft Kit, it's only a few $100s, and you are really gonna enjoy the increased performance that it adds to your Dauntless 20x48 evaporator. Guys, in the description below, I've got an affiliate link where you can click on that. It'll take you right to the website where you can order this Forced Draft Kit. And I really appreciate the guys out there that use that affiliate link, because it helps out the Maple Dude page, helps out the Maple Dude channel, and helps us put out more videos like this. Thanks for watching this episode of High Sugar Content, guys. If you're in the area during the maple season, stop in here at the world headquarters. I hope you have a great maple season coming up, and remember, always keep it real.